Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Etta J. Smith here. Happy New Year everybody. I hope you had a wonderful New Year celebration with your family and your loved ones. So let's jump into it. Look what I got. I got the Artist Couture and Jackie Aina Glow Powder in LeBron. Jackie. I love Jackie Aina. Who doesn't love Jackie Aina? I think she's amazing. So, and I also got the Jackie Aina makeup purse. I think it's beautiful. I love it. It's rose gold. It has a signature on it. Yeah, so it's just really beautiful. And I also picked up Fenty Beauty lip paint in Stunna. Let's open her up. Love a red lip. Like anybody who knows me, friends, family who knows me knows that I always wear a red lip. Like I can't help myself. My love from red lipstick came from my mother because growing up, all I ever watched her put on her lips was a red lipstick. Yeah, a red lipstick. So to this day, that's all she wears, a red lip. So yeah, we have Stunna right here. Look at the packaging. It is beautiful and gorgeous. I also have for you guys the Patrick Starrr and M.A.C collab. So the only thing I got from this collection was this red lipstick here in Patrick Woo. So let's go ahead and open that up. And there's the packaging right there. It's beautiful. I love how it looks. And when we open it up, we have the lipstick. So I've already used this because I couldn't wait. I had to try it out for myself. So we're going to try all of that today. If you're familiar with matte lipsticks, then you know that M.A.C has a beautiful red lipstick called Ruby Woo. This kind of reminds me of that, except not as drying. I'm just going to swatch that for you guys right here. And yeah, that is Patrick Woo. So we're going to try that on our lips. So I've already worn this lipstick before. I like it. It's very comfortable. So we're just going to go in and put it on. So that's the Patrick Woo lipstick. I love it. It's very comfortable, not drying at all. And like I said, kind of just takes you back to Ruby Woo without the crust. I mean, Ruby Woo is a beautiful lipstick, don't get me wrong. I have it, I love it. I love a very good lipstick, like I said. But you know, after a while it does get pretty drying. So this is a nice nice welcome to the collection pretty much. So yeah, what you guys think? Did you like it? Okay, so that's Patrick Woo. I'm gonna go now and take it off, and we're gonna go in with Stunna lip paint. The box has 1 stroke intensity, 12-hour matte wear, unrivaled precision wand. Yes. All right, so let's put that to the test. First of all, let me see if I can show you guys the wand, what it looks like. That's the wand. Pretty cute. And I just love it. It looks like a nail polish. I should say nail lacquer. I'm going with a second one. Yeah, it's just me again. This is gorgeous. Right. That looks beautiful. So let me swatch that on my arm next to Patrick Woo. And there it is. You can see how pigmented it is once you put it on. It's really beautiful. So forgive the other messy swatch right there. Okay, I have worn it out already, and I must say it's very comfortable. It did not flake on me, it did not peel, it did not get all crusty. You know, it makes me feel very sexy, very powerful, you know, like, hey. So yeah, Stunna is giving me all kinds of life right now. It's gorgeous, it's gorgeous. So now we're moving up to Jackie Aina's Le Bronze Diamond Glow Powder. I love it. I have tried it, and let me tell you, I was shook. I was shook. Like, I can't explain it. Like, it is so beautiful. I love it because you can intensify it and you can make it nice and subtle. So whatever your preference, it works. That and pop it there. Ooh. And we are Gucci. While we're at it, let's put some on the bones, honey. Yes. There's a new year. We're not playing with you. We are not playing with anybody. Show this bones off, honey. Show the bones. You guys, you know the funny thing? I got teased because of these collarbones when I was growing up. I got teased a lot about my collarbones. Ooh. And they go, huh, you need to eat. You need to eat, girl. You got so much bones on you. You need to put some flesh on those bones. But let me tell you something. These bones right here walk the runway. So yeah, that is it. So what are my thoughts? So what are my thoughts on this product? I think these products are fabulous. I think all of them are beautiful. I love all the red lippies. I will say that I was a little like about the Patrick Wu. It looks so pigmented on, you know, the campaigns and on Instagram and everything, but then I bought it and I put it on and it was not as vibrant as I thought it would be, but still, it's beautiful. Stunna is giving me Riri vibes. I feel like I can take over the world with this red lip right here. You know how when you put Stunna on, it's like all red and glossy and gorgeous. I kind of feel like, yeah, I feel like it dries down a little bit dark on me, okay? Because yeah, when you see the campaign too, it's like all red, you know, red and fabulous, you know, that, you know, like that blue red. But when I kind of put Stunna on and Stunna sits on these lips here, yeah, I feel like she just be cheating on me just a little bit. So nobody come for me though, but it's still a gorgeous lippy. It's still a gorgeous lippy. So that is it, you guys. Thank you for joining me today. If you love this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell at the bottom so that you get notified every time I upload. Don't forget to enter my giveaway. I will leave the link here to the video where you can see how to enter the giveaway with all the instructions. And yeah, I look forward to reading all your comments, you guys. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.